Hello students. Today we will see introduction part of exercise 11.3 and also we will solve question number 1 to question number 4 of exercise 11.3. But for solving exercise 11.3 we will be needing one or two formulas which I will be discussing with you in introduction part. So let us start. We are interested with the formulas of circle. You all are familiar with the circle. I have drawn one such circle over here. O is the center of that circle. But before we jump into the formula, let me introduce some of the terms related to circle. First is chord. Students, if I take 2 points on the circle, 2 points on the circle, and if I join them, the length which I get, it is known as chord. Now, diameter. Diameter is also one chord which passes through the center of the circle. Understood? And it is the longest chord of any circle. Now coming to circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is nothing but, till now we are finding perimeter of rectangle, right? Rectangle, triangle, parallelogram. Same way, perimeter of the circle is also is called circumference of the circle. That means the length, the boundary length of the circle, it is nothing but circumference of the circle, and it is given by the formula 2 pi r, where value of pi is constant. It is 22 by 7, or sometimes they will give you 3.14. This is the value of pi. Now 22 by 7, if they don't give you 3.14, always you will take 22 by 7. And what is r? R is nothing but the radius. And what is radius? Radius is the length from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. This is radius. This is also radius. If I join OQ, this is also radius. If I join PQ, it is also radius. Hope you have understood what is radius. Now coming to area of circle, the area occupied by this circumference. It is given by formula pi r square. And radius already I have discussed with you. So this is all in the introduction part. Now let us solve question number 1 of exercise 11.3. It says, find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Pi, if they have given 22 by 7, you will not use 3.14. So first part is 14 radius. Radius they have given, it is 14 centimeter. So, and they have told us to find circumference. So I have written circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. If I place the value, pi is 22 by 7, r is 14. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are is 14. 22 into 2 is 44, and 44 into 2 will give me 88 centimeter. So this is answer of the first part. Moving to second part. Radius they have given us 28 millimeter. Therefore circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Again 2 into 22 by 7. R is 28. You know the table of 7. 7 ones are 7 fours are. 22 into 2 will give me 44. 44 into 2 will give me 88, and 44 4 will give me 176 millimeter, if I am not wrong. Let me calculate. 44 into 4, 4 4 is 16. Okay, it is 176. Now moving to the third part, 21 centimeter is the radius. So we will put in formula of circumference. It is 2 pi r into 21. 7 1 za, 7 3 za. 2 into 22 will give me 44. 44 into 3 will give me 132 centimeter. Hope you have understood question number 1. Now let us move to question number 2. Question number 2 says, find the area of the following circles given that radius is given, diameter is given and radius given. You can see, and they have told us pi is 22 by 7, and you know just now I had discussed area of circle is pi r square. So radius is given, it is 14 millimeter. So what we will do, we will put it in this formula. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7. R square, that means r into r, and what is r? 14. So I will write 14 into 14. 7 1 za, 7 2 za. So I will get 22 into 28, which when I calculate I will get 616 millimeter square, because it is in millimeter, so area will be millimeter square. Now in second question, they have given us diameter. Diameter is 49 meter, but we are supposed to find radius. And what is the formula for radius? D divided by 2, that is diameter divided by 2. So putting in the formula, 49 divided by 2 will be our answer, which is nothing but 24.5, but I will keep as it is and place it in this formula. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 49 by 2 into 49 by 2, because 2 times r, no, r square. 7 1 za is 7, 7 7 za is 49, 2 1 za will be 2, 2 1 za is 2, and 2 11 za is 22. So I will be left with 11 7 za 77 into 49 divided by 2. When I solve the numerator, I will get 3773 divided by 2, which will give me 1883.5, and it is meter, so we will write meter square. Moving to the part C, radius they have given is 5. Put it in formula. Pi is 22 by 7 into r is 5 into 5, so it will give me 22 into 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25 divided by 7. 25 into 22, when I multiply, I will get 550 divided by 7. On calculating, on dividing 550 by 7, you will get 78.57 centimeter square. Because it was centimeter, so area will be centimeter square. Hope you are understanding. Moving to the question number 3. Question number 3 says, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius, also find the area of the sheet. They have given circumference of the circular sheet. There is one circular sheet whose circumference is nothing but perimeter. Its perimeter is 154 meter. That is what they have given us. And they had asked us to find radius and also area of the sheet. And area of sheet is nothing but area of circle, because it is circular sheet. So for finding area of sheet, we will be required r, that is radius. And for finding R, where will we get R? We will get it by this heat, that is circumference of the circular sheet. So we will write like this. Here circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meter, and circumference, what is the formula for circumference? It is 2 pi r. Placing it in the formula, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 154. Now keeping r as it is over here only, and taking rest of the term towards that side, but we will take it one by one. 154, this 7 which is in division, it will go there and multiply. This 2 which is in multiplication, it will come down and divide. So on calculating this, we will find r. How to calculate? 22 ones is 22 and 22 sevens is 154. So it will give me 7 sevens are 49, divide by 2. This is the radius which we got, r, and that is in meter. So we will write m. Now area we have calculated. Moving to the area of, radius we have found. Now we will move to the area of the sheet. And area of the sheet is nothing but area of circle, because it is in the circular shape. So area of circle is pi r square. And putting the formula, pi is 22 by 7, r is 49 by 2. But since it is r square, so I will write 2 times 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 2 ones are 2 11s are. Already this we have solved further. 11 sevens are is 77 into 49 divided by 2. We have solved this in part B. 77 into 49 will give me 3773 divided by 2. It will give me 1883 meter square. So we will write area of the circular sheet is 1883.5, and here it is 49 by 2, which we can also write 24.5 meter. Hope you have understood. Now let us move to the question number 4. Question number 4 says, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. There is one gardener who want to fence. Fence means to take the boundary, that is to apply the rope and guard his field with the rope, so that no one can enter his field. Now his field is in the shape of circle whose diameter is 21 meter. Find, next question, next part, find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. They have told us to find the length of the rope which he needs to purchase, and he will make 2 rounds of that. That means if he starts from here, he will end up here, and again the next rope will be little bit below. Again he will round up so that no one can enter his field 2 times. So definitely we will be finding the circumference, because it is in the shape of circumference. Area which we are guarding, it is nothing but area of that circumference, the region, that is length of that circumference, but 2 times circumference. Why 2 times? Because 2 times he is taking the round. Next is, also find the cost of the rope if it cost rupees 4 per meter. Now they also told us to find the cost of the rope. Given that 1 meter of rope if he buys, it is of 4 rupees. So what will be the cost of all the rope which he buys? And cost of all the rope is nothing but cost of 2 times the circumference, right? So let us solve. How we will solve? We will write like this. Diameter is equal to 21 meter, but we are interested in radius. So what we will do? We will put it in the formula of radius, that is d divided by 2, that is diameter divided by 2, and diameter divided by 2 is nothing but 21 divided by 2. We will keep as it is meter. Now since he is fencing the rope which is in the shape of circumference, so I will write like this. Circumference of the circular garden is 2 pi r. Sorry for this mistake. It is 2 pi r. And 2 pi r is nothing but 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 21 by 2. You can see 7 ones are and 7 threes are can cancel out. 2 and 2 from here will cancel out. So we will left with 22 into 3, that is 66 meter. This is the circumference of one circular round. If I cover one round, it will be 66 meter. Now they have told he is covering 2 rounds. So what I will do? Length of the rope needed is equal to 2 multiplied by circumference, and 2 multiplied by circumference is 66 meter. So we will get 66 into 2 will get 132 meter. This is the length of the total rope. Now since we have got length of the entire rope which we are fencing, and we know that cost of 1 meter is rupees 4, so we can find out cost of 132 meter. So we will write like this. Cost of rope for 1 meter is equal to rupees 4. Therefore cost of rope for 132 meter is equal to, what we will do? We will cross multiply 132 into 4. 132 into 4, when I multiply, I will get 528 rupees. So we are interested with the cost of the entire rope, entire length of the rope. So we will write cost of the rope is rupees 528. Hope you have understood these 4 questions. Students, you are watching this video online. So if there is any confusion, you can go through this video 2-3 times so that your confusions are cleared. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through this video 2-3 times. We will meet with new videos in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.